Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to the session of determiners. In the last session, we had seen about articles, possessive, demonstrative. Now, today we are going to see about indefinite adjective. Here we go. Alright. Now, in indefinite adjective, we are going to see about the usage of some, the usage of any, the usage of little, much, many. Okay. Now, to begin with, we will focus on some. Where do we use the adjective some? Alright. Now, to begin with the indefinite adjective some. First of all, it is always used in affirmative sentence. Affirmative means whenever you have a sentence which gives a positive outcome. जो sentence थोड़ा बहुत positive है, okay, that is called affirmative sentence. The sentences which are not negative, they are affirmative. Now, they are always used, some is always used with countable and plural countable nouns. They will never be used with uncountable nouns. The moment you see it is a positive sentence and countable nouns, then you are going to use some. I'm going to write example for you. Let us focus. Alright, now I have jotted down one example. There is some proof that he is guilty. अब इस सेंटेंस को पढ़ने के बाद मुझे कुछ उम्मीद है, कुछ पॉजिटिविटी एक्सपेक्ट कर सकता हूँ. There is some proof. Whenever you have a little bit expectation like there is going to be a positive outcome, you are going to use some. Okay? So remember the condition when you have an affirmative sentence and when you have countable or plural countable nouns, then you are going to use some. Alright? You can also say, I have some good ideas for the science project. थोड़े बहुत ideas ही सही, लेकिन मुझे उम्मीद है. Okay? So the moment you speak such sentences, you will itself come to know that, okay, yes, there is some positivity, there are some positive expectations. Then you are going to use the indefinite adjective that is some. Okay? But remember, it is always going to be with countable nouns. Alright? I'll also write few more examples. Okay, you can focus this, you can have a look at the rules that I'm going to rub this. Now, we do have certain interrogative sentence. So whenever yes is expected, For example, if I'm asking something and I expect yes from other end, then I'm going to use some. Let us see two instances. I have written for you. Would you like some tea? सपोज मैं किसी को पूछ रहा हूँ, मुझे एक्सपेक्टेड आंसर है कि हाँ वो सामने वाला या सामने वाली yes बोलेगा. Then I'm going to use some. Would you like some tea? I have one more example for you. Could you give me some money? हाँ मुझे उम्मीद है कि हाँ वो हाँ बोलेगा, ना तो नहीं बोलेगा. So in such cases you have to use some. Remember, in questions when yes is expected, then you will end up putting some as an indefinite adjective. So this concept was about some. Now we are going to use when to use and. Remember, जहाँ पर उम्मीद बिल्कुल नहीं है, when the result, when the expectation is negligible, then you are going to use any. I am going to write for you. Alright, now talking about any as an indefinite adjective, first of all it is used in negative sentences. It will never be used in affirmative. जहाँ पर आपको उम्मीद नहीं है, when expectation of positive outcome is almost zero, almost nil, you are going to use any. Now, used with uncountable nouns, let us see two examples. I don't need any help. The moment you the moment you speak the sentence, okay, जब आप sentence खुद बोलोगे, you will realize, आप महसूस करोगे कि हाँ मुझे outcome zero मिलेगा. I don't need any help. मुझे उम्मीद नहीं है, तो I'll use any, not some. जहाँ थोड़ी बहुत expectation होती है, then you end up using some. But when you have no expectation, no positive outcome, you are going to use any. So I don't need any help. Okay. One more example. Do you have any advice? क्या आपके पास कोई सलाह है? आपको पता है कि सामने वाला कोई advice नहीं देने वाला है. So you will end up using any. So remember, it is used in negative sentence and used with uncountable nouns. Okay, which is totally different from some. Alright, so this was about any. Now I am going to explain about little and much. आपने कई सारे examples में in written English you must have seen these words little and much. So let us see. Okay, you can have a look. Then I'll rub the board. Okay, so this was about any. Alright, now we will focus on little and much. Now, if you carefully observe, it's always used to refer to amount or quantity. क्वांटिटी या अमाउंट के लिए ये मेजर किया जाता है. सेकंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, लिटल द इंडेफिनिट एडजेक्टिव, इट इज ऑलवेज यूज्ड, little is always used to emphasize that there is a small amount of something. जहाँ थोड़े मात्रा की बात हो रही है, we will use little. Again, they both are used to refer to amount or quantity. All right. And little, if we talk about, it always focuses on small amount or small amount of something. Okay. We'll write down examples. Okay. You can have a look. Then I'll rub it. Alright. Now if I talk about little, जहाँ पर क्वांटिटी की बात होती है in small number, I want to spend a little time in US. मुझे थोड़ा टाइम बिताना है US में. I studied very little for my exam. Okay, so when we talk about a small amount of something, you end up using little. Okay, and much is used to emphasize on large quantity. Okay, so I'll rub it. Now about much. And remember, both are used with uncountable nouns. Alright? Little and much are always used with uncountable noun. Now, much is used to emphasize on large quantities. जहाँ ज़्यादा नंबर की बात हो रही है, especially uncountable, we will end up putting much. For example, do you like to watch much TV? Alright? So, यहाँ पर ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी की बात हो रही है, so we will use much. Little is used, it focuses on small quantity. However, much is used to emphasize on large quantity. So this was about little, much. So today we saw about usage of some, usage of any, usage of little and much. Okay. In the next session, we are going to cover few more indefinite adjectives. Okay, like few or few. Okay. Thank you.